Hello and welcome to this video. In this video, we are going to perform some basic data cleansing. If you take a look at the result window, under the gender column, we have some unwanted characters, and this is basically formatted as a lowercase text. So we're going to perform some data cleansing on this column called gender. We are going to be using the data cleansing tool to cleanse the data from that column called gender. So from the tool palette, I'm going to click on the data cleansing tool and connect that to the select tool. So I've connected the data cleansing tool to the select tool, and we have the configuration open for the data cleansing tool. In the configuration window on the left, under the select fields to cleanse, uncheck every other field except the gender column. I'm going to remove the check from all the other columns apart from the gender column, because the gender column contains the characters I want to cleanse. In the configuration window, under the remove unwanted characters, place a check next to the punctuation field. Also select the modify case, and then under the modify case, click on the drop down and select title case. Once you've done that, click to run the workflow. So let's click on the output icon here so we can see the result. So if you take a look at the gender column, you can see that we have now cleansed that column. So you can see we don't have unwanted characters present in the gender column. In this video, we performed some basic data cleansing. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.